Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel TechBon Info, and in this video we are going to check out best 5 Canon cameras in the market for this year. I made this list on my personal opinion and tried to list them down on the base of price, quality, durability and more. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's start. So at number 5 we have Canon EOS 80D. If you are choosing a camera as a student of photography or any other graphic art, you are going to need one that's powerful enough and versatile enough to stay with you as you tackle a variety of assignments and perhaps go in the direction you hadn't expected. This is where the Canon EOS 80D is just perfect. It's not Canon's cheapest DSLR, unfortunately, as prices have stayed strong, but it does offer an excellent set of all-round features. These include Canon's 24-megapixel dual-pixel CMOS AF sensor, a full articulating touchscreen on the rear, 7 FPS continuous shooting capability for sports and action, a secondary info panel on the top of plate and lots of customization options. If you want to buy Canon EOS 80D, then click on the link given in the description. At number 4, we have Canon EOS M50. Canon's mirrorless camera EOS M range has been a bit of mixed bag in the past, as users try to figure out how it fits in with Canon's DSLR range and which type to go for. With the Canon EOS M50, though, we think Canon has hit the sweet spot with a camera that's easy to use for beginners but has an electronic viewfinder, so that you are not just reliant on the rear screen for composing pictures, and is being offered at an affordable price. The EF-M 15-45mm lens with focal length of 3.5 to 6.3 is STM kit lens. It has retracting mechanism to make the camera smaller to carry around when it's not in use. And there's a small but handy selection of other EOS M lenses you can use with this camera. Hobbyists might want a wider lens choice, but if travel is your thing and a couple of lenses is all you need, the EOS M50 is great. If you want to buy Canon EOS M50, then click on the link given in the description. At number 3, we have Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Lots of people are saying that mirrorless cameras are the future and that DSLRs are dead. But don't listen. The DSLR design still has a lot of advantages, including a bright, clear optical viewfinding system with no lag, better handling with bigger lenses and much better battery life. Professionals in particular are very cautious about the change, and it's likely the EOS 5D 4 DSLR will be the top choice for pros for some time to come. The 30.4 megapixel resolution isn't the highest, but it gives a great balance of resolution and low light. If you want to buy Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, then click in the link given in the description. At number 2, we have Canon EOS R. The EOS R has met with a mixed reception, perhaps because it's going to take time for users to figure out where it fits in. But we reckon with its combination of resolution, features, pro build quality and keen pricing, it's going to make its own gap in the market. On paper, it looks a bit like mirrorless version of Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, but there are some important differences. One is that it has a much more advanced autofocus system with an amazing 5 to 655 focus points. Another is that it has a brand new lens mount, bringing the promise of new and exotic lens designs. What we really like is that Canon has also made lens adapters that let you fit on your existing Canon EF and EFS lenses, so it's easy to add the EOS R to an existing Canon system. If you want to buy Canon EOS R, then click on the link given in the description. So now it's time to have a look at best camera. At number 1, we have Canon Rebel SL2 or EOS 200D. Canon makes a confusing number of entry-level DSLRs. The newest models are the EOS 4000D and 2000D, but these are very clearly built down to a price and we would recommend going for the older but EOS Rebel SL2 or 200D. It's smaller than the other two but beats them on specification with Canon's newest 24.2 megapixel dual pixel CMOS AF sensor and a high resolution vari-angle touchscreen display. This is all the more amazing given that this is also Canon's smallest DSLR. So it's not just powerful but very portable too. The Rebel SL2 or 200D is very user friendly, and while its simple 9-point autofocus system and 5 fps continuous shooting speed are easily beaten by Canon models further up the range, it's more than powerful enough to get you started on your photographic career. If you want to buy Canon Rebel SL2 or EOS 200D, then click on the link given in the description. Alright guys, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching our technology related reviews. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to TechBon Info.